In this video, we will unlock a Mario Game & Watch using GnWManager. First, install GnWManager via pipx install GnWManager. GnWManager offers a convenient cross-platform way of installing openocd. Simply run GnWatch install openocd. To unlock your factory device, run GnWatch unlock. Your debug probe and GnWatch model will be automatically detected. This will back up the factory firmware as part of the unlock process. Once the payload has been flashed, completely remove and reapply power. After pressing the power button, the screen will turn blue and we can proceed with unlocking. Finally, the factory firmware will be reflashed to the device, completing the unlocking process.